So you might be trying to figure out how you can use emojis on TikTok. Now doing this is actually very basic for the most part, and it is actually a very cool thing. Now what are emojis? Now emojis are basically ways that you can kind of express yourself more than what you'd normally want on your standard keyboard. So what this basically looks like is if we go and take a look at our particular keyboard right here, or video right here, if you want to go ahead and leave a like an emoji TikTok actually made, what you can do is you can tap inside of the keyboard option right here, and you can go and click on to write a comment, and you can go and type out an emoji that you basically want. So in this case, you will always want to start off with square brackets. So come right into here and tap on these two square brackets that you have right here. So the beginning has to be a square bracket and the ending, and there are lots of TikTok emojis you can basically use. So to give you an example, the first one we can try is smile. So you can go and start typing in smile just like this, and what will happen is as you do it, you can see my particular emoji changed from being an actual emoji to now being like, the word to an emoji now. So that is one example of it. But there are tons of emojis you can basically use. So if we take a look at this website right here, I don't even remember this one, what it is, but there are lots of examples of different emojis you can use. There's smile, there's happy, there's angry, there's cry. So all you have to do is go and type it in, and these emojis should go ahead and pop up just like this. And you can see the different ones that are available all over the place, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. So all you have to do is go and type in these emojis just like so, and that's really all you're going to have to do is type in those emojis with the ways that you wanted to do just like this, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. There's a lot of them available, so you can kind of go online and see which ones you like more, but this is just an example of all the ones that are available as of this point. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. The like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.